Today, we're going to explore how colors are used in art to create beautiful compositions that evoke emotions and tell stories. Whether you're an aspiring artist or simply appreciate the beauty of art, understanding the principles of color theory can deepen your appreciation and enjoyment of artworks. Let's start with a question. What's your favorite painting or artwork, and how do the colors used in that piece make you feel? For example, if you think of Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night, you might be struck by the swirling blues and yellows that create a sense of movement and emotion. Colors have the power to convey meaning and evoke strong emotional responses, making them a powerful tool in an artist's arsenal. One of the key principles of color theory in art is the color wheel. The color wheel is a circular diagram that shows the relationships between colors. It's divided into primary colors, red, blue, yellow, secondary colors, orange, green, purple, and tertiary colors, colors created by mixing primary and secondary colors. Understanding how these colors relate to each other can help artists create harmonious and balanced compositions. Let's talk about color harmony. Harmony is achieved when different colors in a piece work together to create a pleasing effect. There are several types of color harmony, including complementary, colors opposite each other on the color wheel, like red and green, analogous, colors next to each other on the color wheel, like blue and green, and triadic, three colors evenly spaced on the color wheel, like red, blue, and yellow. Artists use these harmonies to create different moods and effects in their work. Another important concept is the use of warm and cool colors. Warm colors, reds, oranges, yellows, are often associated with energy, passion, and warmth, while cool colors, blues, greens, purples, are associated with calmness, tranquility, and serenity. Artists can use these colors to create different atmospheres and convey different emotions in their work. Color can also be used to create depth and perspective in a painting. Artists often use warm, bright colors for objects in the foreground and cool, muted colors for objects in the background. This creates a sense of distance and helps to create a more realistic and immersive scene. As you think about your favorite artworks, consider how the artist has used color to create mood, harmony, and depth. How do the colors in those pieces make you feel? Are there any techniques or effects that you find particularly striking or inspiring? In our next lesson, we'll explore how you can use color theory to create your own artworks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, understanding the principles of color theory can help you take your art to the next level. Until then, keep exploring the world of art and color and let your imagination run wild. See you next time.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.